Many people talk, oh, this rich country don't do anything, what are they doing? Allah will not question you why the rich head of the state or when the country donating or not. Allah will question you, what have you done? I have given you $1,000 a month, couldn't you sacrifice from it? So for the first 7 points, no Muslim, rich or poor, black or white, Arab or non-Arab, has the excuse of not taking part in the first 7 points. The balance 8 points from the 15-point action plan can only be done those people who Allah has given the facility, who have given the ni'mah that He can do. Point number 8, those Muslims who own satellite channels or who have friends who own satellite channels or who know people who own satellite channels or the international media, whether it be the international newspapers, whether it be international magazines, whether it be radio broadcast station, whether it be satellite channels, what they should do, that see to it, they should coax them or give them information so that they can show on their media. Everyone may not be owning channels or maybe having influence, but those who have, see to it that you influence them and make sure that they spread the truth on the media.